Very good. Keep it spinning, Anas. Okay, more. Alright. Okay, go, Anas. Keep on spinning. Oh, wow! Look at what you got, Anas. That's for you.
Hey guys, it's Romisaa here. Welcome back to our Kidzania trip. In this video, we're going to learn about pasteurization. تعلم يعني ايه بسطرة في رحلتنا لمصنع الحليب. Let's go to dairy factory.
You drink milk. Milk is rich in calcium, which keep your teeth healthy. They said when you drink milk, it helps your teeth to be healthy, right? And healthy teeth as well. And which vitamins we're gonna get when we drink milk? We have vitamin A, that's good for the eyesight, and vitamin D and vitamin B for the bones. And the last picture, what is this? Muscle. It keeps you strong muscle, right? And keep your bones strong so you can play your favorite sports. What's your sports, Nana? You play football, volleyball, right? Or basketball. What about you? Basketball, volleyball, and badminton, right? So that's the meal benefit. And we also have the factory process. So this one is the same in the factory here. The machine in front of you. Okay, so first we have, can we read? Arrival of fresh milk. Okay, once it arrives, it will go to our first machine, this one. Alright, they will pour the fresh milk in here and it will clean all the way. Now, after cleaning, they will sterilize it. Okay, now what's the next one? Vitamins are added to make more nutrition milk. So they said they will add more nutritious milk and vitamins. So that's why there's a hole here, right? And it changes the color, right? Before it was white. Now it changes the color. Why? Because they add some nutrients and flavor. What flavor do you like, Anas? Strawberry, right? And you like? Chocolate. Okay. And the third one, what is the third one? Heating of milk. 72 degrees Celsius or 15 seconds to kill the harmful bacteria. What is this, Anna? That's that? Fire. Okay, because it has to be heat or to become hot to kill the harmful bacteria. And what is the fourth one? Cooling. Very good. Okay, after heating, they will put it in cooling process to stop the bacteria growing. Okay, now the third machine. What do you think is the third machine? What do you think? See, it's moving. Wait, what do you think? Any idea? Share with me. It's a mix. It's a mixing, right? Okay, come. Anas, can you mix it for me for 5 times? Hold it here. Yes. Very good. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, it's mixing, right? Next. Why do you think we need to mix? It's like you're preparing a coffee, right? We have to mix it. So that all ingredients will be mixed up together and the taste will be even, right? Okay. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now we have our second to the last machine. This is include the packaging. Okay. So quality control, if you are working in a factory, you must check the color. If you make a chocolate milk, what should be the color? Color yellow?
Brown.
Brown. Very good. Right. And what should be the taste? Not too sweet, not too chocolate, right? Because especially chocolate milk is for kids. And what is the first thing you have to check when you buy it in Lulu or in supermarket and Carrefour? What do you have to check aside from the price? The expiry, the expiry date, correct? So you have to always check the expiry date. Now, what is the first thing you have to do before you open and drink it? You have to shake it. Very good. Okay, because in supermarket they display it for a long time. It starts maybe for 1 week, for many days, and the flavor goes into the bottle, correct? So you have to shake it well and open, then you can drink, right? Okay, are you ready, Anas? Okay, stand in the red circle. I want you to spin this one. Okay? Alright. Spin it, please. Very good. Very good. Keep it spinning, Anas. Okay, more. Alright. Okay, go, Anas. Keep on spinning. Oh, wow! Look what you got, Anas. That's for you. Thank you for attending here. Okay, next. Wow. So remember, check the expiry date and shake it before you drink it, okay? Wow. Congratulations. Thank you for coming in Al-Rawabi. Don't forget, our company name is Al-Rawabi. You can see that in some supermarket, okay? Okay, sanitize your hand. Put your hair in here. Okay. And thank you. Very good.
Let's revise what we have learned today. How the pasteurization works. First step, we receive fresh milk. استلام الحليب الطازج. Step number 2, we add vitamins. To make milk more healthy. ضافة الفيتامينات. Step 3, heating of milk to kill harmful bacteria. التسخين لقتل البكتيريا. Step 4, cooling. التبريد. Cooling to stop bacteria from growing. إضافة النكهة إلى الحليب. Step number 5, mixing flavor with milk. My favorite flavor is chocolate. And my favorite flavor is strawberry. Last step is packing and adding expiry date. تعبئة وإضافة تاريخ الصلاحية. Also we learn we have to drink milk because milk is rich of calcium. It makes your bones stronger. Also, calcium and phosphorus make your teeth healthier. Milk is rich with vitamin D and protein. It makes the muscles stronger. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. Wait for us for more exciting jobs. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!